G'day everyone, Ray here from Pittwater Mowing. We're just going to mow this section of grass. I'm going to mulch it with my Honda lawnmower. I'll grab the camera and take you in a bit closer just to show you how thick the grass is. It's only going to take a couple of minutes to mow it, and then towards the end I'm going to flip the mower over and I'll show you exactly how it does mulch the grass. Alright, I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Flip the mower over and I'll show you the blades. It's a bit clogged up with grass, so I'll get the blower and we'll give it a real good clean, and then I'll take you in and I'll show you a lot closer. Okay, I'll take you in nice and close and we'll show you the blades. There's 4 blades, 2 high lift, 2 low lift. That spins real fast, and there's a plug in the back of the mower so the grass can't get out. So it's trapped in there and it cuts it really fine. And you can just see the finish. Like, it was quite long, this grass, and you know, it just comes up beautiful. It just mulches it really fine and leaves a beautiful finish. These Honda mowers are great. Alright, see yous.